Hey guys, I'm Raven, a mental health enthusiast. Welcome to my channel. Today we are talking everything journaling. We're talking about journaling. We're gonna go over the benefits of journaling, or what I think are the benefits of journaling. We're gonna go over everything that you need to get started with journaling. I'm looking at my notes right here, by the way. We're going to go over how to journal. Okay, those are the three things: the benefits, what you need, and how to do it. All right, so just consider this your complete guide to journaling. Thank you. You're welcome. Just kidding. All my Moana fans, where you at? If you know, you know the vibes. All right, so what are the benefits of journaling? You guys, I love journaling. I love it. I've said it before. If you are not new to my channel, you know how much I love journaling. Now, reason number one why I love journaling is because you get to maintain a strong sense of self. And all that means is you get to maintain a sense of who you are as a person. It is really easy to get lost in life. And, you know, I'm a mama. I'm a mommy to two children. So one baby girl, she's 3, and another one on the way. Due in February, coming up. And I'm a wife, right? I play lots of different roles. And so it's really easy to lose yourself in all of that, right? We all have all these hats that we wear. And so journaling really allows you to reconnect, refocus, and just continue to rediscover yourself over and over again, which I absolutely love. Benefit number 2 of journaling is that you are actively engaging in self-care. We all know that beautiful buzzword, self-care. It is so important. It is not a trend. It is not a fad. It is actual real life, something that you need to be doing all the time. Self-care. So journaling allows you to engage in self-care because you're taking care of yourself. You're spending time with yourself. You're putting energy into yourself, you know? And that's really important. The third benefit that journaling has is that it can bring, or oftentimes it will bring, things that live in your subconscious mind out into the open, into your conscious mind. And guys, this can be trippy. Like, this can be trippy. This can be eye-opening. This can be one of those woo-woo moments that Oprah talks about, one of those aha moments that Oprah talks about. Like, this can be really cool. That's why I love journaling. I like sitting down and getting to know what's going on in my own head, in my own mind, okay? So now that we've gone over the benefits of journaling, let's talk about everything that you're going to need to get started with journaling. First things first, I'm the realist. Every time someone says first things first, I can't resist the urge to say I'm the realist. Sorry. It's just what it is. Thanks, Iggy. All right. First thing you're going to need is a journal. You're going to need a journal and a pen. So this is my absolute favorite journal right now. I love black journals. I just do. They're dark like my soul. I'm kidding, but not really. I love journals. I love black journals. They're so emo. So this is my journal. I can't remember what the specs are for this one, but it's kind of a smaller size. You see my hand. Yeah, you know, that's what it is. And I have my favorite pen. It's by Papermate. I love these pens. They're cheap, but like they're the only pens I will write with. So you need a journal and a pen. Or you can use a legal pad. I have done this before. The reason why you want to use a legal pad, you know, that's the yellow pad where you can just rip the pages out. Crumble them up, right? So you write down, you do your journaling, but you're not comfortable keeping that type of information just laying around. Rip it out, crumble it up, safely burn it, and it disappears into the universe. You have successfully let it out of your system, okay? So if you don't want to go the journal route, if you don't feel comfortable, if you don't feel safe having this type of information just hanging around, that's okay. Get yourself a legal pad, burn it, throw it away, put it in a shredder, whatever makes you feel comfortable. I just want you to get all of your thoughts, feelings and emotions out of your brain, out of your body, okay? And into the universe, because the universe can handle it, all right? Now, if you don't want to use a journal or you don't want to use a legal pad, you can also use your notes app, right? Say you just want to be digital. That's cool too. All right, techno girl. That's cool too. Use your notes app on your iPhone. Android, I'm sure they have a native notes app of some sort, or you can download one for free or whatever, but use your phone. Keep your notes in your phone, right? That's a nice safe place, kind of, sort of. I don't know what is safe these days, right? Or if you don't want to use a journal and you don't want to use a legal pad and you don't want to use your notes app, I like to also use my voice memos app. Oh my God, this is really therapeutic. Like, oh my gosh, you guys. Sometimes I like to just go off to like my car, pull out my voice app and just let it out. Just go off into a stream of consciousness, like letting all my thoughts, feelings, fears, emotions, inhibitions, throwing them out the window. Like, use your voice memos app, and you can save all of those if you want to, or you can delete them, whatever you want. Okay? So those are like the different platforms or different mediums that you can use to get all the stuff out of your head. Okay? But my favorite is the journal. And that's it. That's all you need. It really is as simple as that. I also want to add that if you don't want to use any of those things, you can just talk out loud. Please hear me out. Okay? I do this. You are not crazy if you do this. Just say it out loud. When you're alone in your room or alone wherever you are, you find some downtime, some quiet time, some nice self-care time, you can say how you're feeling out loud. Work through it. Do you guys ever do that? I do that. I work through things like out loud. I say them out loud, like, okay, I'm gonna go do this, all right? Then I'm gonna pick up the I don't know, whatever, you know what I mean? Like, say it out loud. If you need to, just say it out loud. That's the simplest way. Like, guys, I consider all of this journaling, okay? Now, if I have not already come out with this thing that I'm going to talk about, just know that I have a line of journals and notebooks coming out. I have a journal and notebook business that I'm starting because I love dope journals, and it's really hard to find them. Like, this is a dope journal, but I wish it says something dope right across there. You know what I'm saying? Like, so since it's hard for me to find dope, trendy, bold journals, I'm just going to create them myself, and I hope that you support me. You'll know all about that. I'll link it in the description box if I've already launched my business. If not, hit the subscribe button so that you know exactly when I launch my business, so you can go and get yourself some really cool journals and notebooks. If I accidentally said planners, I'm sorry. I keep saying planners. I don't mean planners. I mean journals and notebooks. Okay? Maybe even some hoodies, because, you know, I'm a hoodie girl. All right. Anyway, back to our regularly scheduled program. Now that we've discussed the benefits of journaling and we've discussed the supplies that you need to journal, let's talk about exactly how to journal. Now, this is going to be really difficult. I'm kidding. It's really, really, really easy, really simple. So, the first thing I want you to do is write freely. Release your inhibitions. Release your inhibitions. Anyway, release your inhibitions. Write freely and openly. Don't hold back. Make sure that you just write in an open-ended way. Don't even feel like it has to be super organized. I just want you to get it out. I do have a video on my channel. It's 10 journal prompts for self-discovery. Basically just 10 journal prompts to help you find yourself, figure out who it is that you are. And I will be continuing this journal prompt series. So check back to my channel like all the time, and you'll see journal prompts all the time. And they're really good ones too, guys, like really good ones. Don't proofread or try to be perfect. No, write from the perspective of where you are right now. That means I want you to be truthful, honest, authentic, raw, and unapologetic. Don't be afraid to write your truth. let it go. Let it go. Let it go. Oh, could have been a Broadway star, honey. Not really. Okay. The second thing that I want you to do when you start journaling is I want you to write weekly. Now, the big takeaway from that is I want you to write often, because this is going to give you the best results. This is going to allow you to keep in touch with yourself. Okay. So please write often. A lot of people write every single day, and that's perfectly fine. I definitely used to do that, but I can't really do that anymore because I am a mom and a wife, and I'm starting my own business. I'm running this business here on YouTube, and so I'm pretty busy, so I can't write daily, but I do try to write weekly. And finally, the last thing that you absolutely have to do is you have to enjoy this time spent with yourself. Okay, this is probably the most important thing, is you need to enjoy journaling. Okay, that's going to give you the greatest benefit. Okay, so when you sit down to journal, hey, pull out that self-care kit. Okay, if you haven't seen my self-care kit video, oh, you got to see it. It's a good one. I'll link it in the I as well as the description box, so you can check that out. But grab your self-care kit, pull out your journal, and just enjoy this time taking care of yourself. It's a beautiful time. Anytime you're taking care of yourself and nurturing yourself, it is a good time. Okay? That's it. The end. That's all you need to journal. It's super simple. It's super easy. I took you step by step on purpose. I really wanted you to see that there really are no difficult steps. Journaling should be easy. Journaling should be carefree. So I'm going to leave you with a journal prompt today. Okay? And I have my notes right here, as always. So here we go. This is the journal prompt. This is a journal prompt to get you started. If you could go back in time and visit your 10-year-old self, or any age-old self, what would you say to them? What would you say to yourself? Describe what that experience would be like for you. I love this journal prompt. I love it. There are so many things that come to mind. I really want to dive into this prompt. So I encourage you, check that prompt out. If you can go back and talk to your 10-year-old self, or your 5-year-old self, or your 15-year-old self, or 20-year-old self, whatever, what would you say to yourself? What would you do? I'd hug myself. Anyway, that's it. That's all I have for you. Leave me a comment down below. Let me know how you like this video. If you write about this prompt, let me know how it goes. What do you think? Check out some of my other videos where I give you journal prompts. And stay tuned for my journals that I'm coming out with. I think you're really gonna like them. That is all I have for you today. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Please hit that bell notification so that you're notified as soon as I post a new video just like this one. That's it. I'll see you next time. Bye.